Is she for kids? Somebody tell. Is she for kids? Somebody tell. Is she for keeps? Ay, ay. Somebody tell me, is she? Somebody tell me, is she?
And welcome back to another YouTube video. So if this is your first time on my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel, become a part of Bree Nation. And I am Viva Glam Bree, in case you didn't know. So I am back with another makeup tutorial. This is also a collab with Keylonda Wheeler, and we decided to do spring cut creases. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. If you're not, like, comment, and share my video on your social media sites. Follow me on all my social media sites. Everything I use on my face will be down in the description box below. Watching my video, Keylonda video will be linked down in the description box below. So y'all go show my YouTube sister some love. We worked hard on these, and I really am a fan of her channel. So y'all make sure y'all go show her some love on her channel. Her link will be linked down below in the description box.
Oh, baby! Did you get jacked? Gina, I told you to not fight with a
It's a bad man thing, yeah. Oh Lord of His mercy. Hey, His body, baby, oh. Hey, His body, baby, oh. Bulaka, it's a bad man thing. See, I'm a, hey, it's a bad man thing, yeah. Bulaka, yeah. See, see, I'm a jar little. I'm a jar wale. Say we get to bed, so no delay. See, by the end of the night she be wanting more. By the end of the day they be wanting more. Busting out the place.